The original three, awesome. The rest, not so much. Gladiator. Yorkshire tea. My dad was in the services. I didn't really know what I was going to do, I don't think. Family. My dog. I like coming to work. Teleport. Spend too much time in the car. Cyprus or any Greek island. I like a night out, but I probably do more nights in nowadays. Fillet steak and some chunky chips. Human languages. Not much of a music person, but I'd probably go Wonderwall Oasis. Mo Salah. Or when he's playing a match at Anfield. Dogs. Kenny Dalglish. Billy Connolly. Roger Federer. Donald Trump. The original three, awesome. The rest, not so much. Scuba diving. I'd say I'm living my best life at the moment, so I wouldn't want to be any younger. I feel 25 anyway. Chocolate. Ragdoll on BBC iPlayer. Have to be Mr. Jones. I played tennis since I was a kid, and I still play twice a week now.